Are you tired of slow GitOps workflows? In this tutorial, we'll show you a simple hack to supercharge your Argo CD repository setup and boost your DevOps workflow. We've all been there: slow deployments, tedious collaboration, and frustrating delays. But what if you could optimize your Argo CD repository settings for faster deployments and improved collaboration? The solution lies in optimizing your Argo CD repository settings. By streamlining your repo setup, you can significantly speed up your GitOps workflow and improve collaboration among team members. Let's take a look at a live demo. We'll create a new Argo CD application and project and show you how to optimize the repository settings for speed. As with any technology, there are best practices to follow and pitfalls to avoid. We'll cover some common mistakes to watch out for and provide tips on how to get the most out of your Argo CD setup. That's it. With this simple hack, you can supercharge your Argo CD GitOps workflow and improve your DevOps workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and DevOps insights.